Hi, Maria. How are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Ready for our English practice session.
Yes, I'm ready. What are we going to talk about today?
I thought we could focus on talking about daily routines. It's a good way to practice using different tenses and expanding your vocabulary. Does that sound good?
Yes, that sounds great. Where should we start?
Let's start with your morning routine. What do you usually do when you wake up?
Okay. When I wake up, I usually brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make breakfast.
That's a good start. Can you tell me more about your breakfast? What do you usually eat?
I usually eat cereal with milk and sometimes I have a piece of fruit, like an apple or a banana.
Great. Now, let's practice using some different verbs. After breakfast, what do you do next?
After breakfast, I get dressed and then I go to work.
Perfect. And how do you get to work? Do you drive, take the bus, or walk?
I take the bus to work. It takes about 30 minutes.
Nice. So, once you get to work, what are some of the things you do there?
At work, I check my emails first. Then I have a meeting with my team. After that, I work on my projects.
Excellent. You're doing really well. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. What do you do during your lunch break?
During my lunch break, I usually eat with my colleagues. Sometimes we go to a nearby cafe.
That sounds nice. What kind of food do you like to eat for lunch?
I like to eat sandwiches or salads. Sometimes I have pasta.
Great choices. After lunch, what do you do?
After lunch, I continue working on my projects. I also have more meetings in the afternoon.
All right. And when do you finish work?
I usually finish work at 5 p.m.
Good. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home. I cook dinner and then I relax by watching TV or reading a book.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of TV shows or books do you like?
I like watching comedies and reading mystery novels.
Nice. You have a good routine. Let's practice a bit more. Can you describe your weekend routine?
Sure, on weekends I wake up later. I often go out with friends or visit my family. Sometimes I go hiking or do some shopping.
That sounds like a lot of fun. You did a great job today, Maria. Keep practicing and you'll keep getting better.
Thank you, John. I appreciate your help. I'm looking forward to our next session.
Me too. Have a great day, Maria.
You too, John. Bye.